Hey guys, I'm Mark McKillier with liveanabolic.com, and I'm about to give you a fantastic 10-minute chest workout that you can do at home with no equipment. Guys, real straightforward here. I got 4 different exercises for you that we're going to be hitting our chest with, but the trick is I'm going to take very little rest from exercise to exercise. So I'm going to keep that heart rate up. I'm going to get, breathing fairly hard, okay? And then at the end of one cycle, that's when I'm going to stop, take about a minute to rest, get the oxygen and some fresh blood back to those muscle fibers. Then I'm going to hit this circuit all over again for 2 more times. I want a total of 3 circuits for you guys. So let me just briefly explain what the different exercises are, and then I'm going to get on the floor and you guys can follow along as I do them. So we're going to start off with something called a SpiderMan push-up, okay? Y'all probably never done this before, but it's actually pretty fun, and it's probably one of the best sounding names of any exercise. It's fun to be saying you're doing a Spider-Man push-up. Then we're going to do something called a push-up to a plank rotation. It's a little more complicated, but once you've done it for a few reps, you're going to get that mind-muscle connection and your balance will kick in, and it won't be nearly as difficult to do, okay? Just takes you a few reps to get the hang of it. Then we're going to do something called an isometric squeeze, where I press my hands together really hard and I flex my chest, and I'm slowly going to move my arms from side to side. That's an isometric squeeze with a little dynamic portion built into it when we move back and forth. And then we're going to finish off with something called a head elevated push-up. That's another real straightforward exercise, guys. So, all right, without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to start off with Spider-Man push-ups. Now, every exercise is going to have 10 reps except one, and that's the isometric, because we're not really doing a rep here. We're just going to push as hard as we can for about 20 seconds, all right? So let's start off Spider-Man push-ups, guys. All right, you get into a normal push-up position, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to do something called a push to a plank rotation. 10 of these total. We're going to go push up, rotation. 1, push up, 2, push up, 3, 4, 6, 7, that's 8, 9, 10. All right, already out of breath, I can't stop. 20 seconds of isometric, so I can't time it because I'm talking to you, but I want to squeeze really hard and then slowly go back side to side here. So I'm putting as much tension as I can on my pecs and resisting with the other arm. All right, that's about 20 seconds, and I'm gonna finish up with some head elevated push-ups. All right, guys. You can do it on a coffee table, a couch, a chair, it doesn't matter. Oh boy. Check out the sweat, guys. And now that I finished that one circuit, I'm gonna rest about a minute, talk to you guys a little bit. Now, I want you guys to listen to your body. So if you need more than a minute rest, I'm totally fine with that, okay? But I don't want you sitting around for 4 or 5 minutes, okay? I want you to keep that heart rate elevated, so don't sit down, stand up. Just get the oxygen going back to your muscles. That's all we're trying to accomplish right now. All right, so I gotta do it 2 more times, guys. Now, look how much, can you see this pump I've got going in my chest now? Tons of blood in here. And guys, having a big chest looks great, not just with your shirt off, also with your shirt on. All right, now the other thing we're doing, guys, even though we're focusing on our chest, these exercises are pretty much all compound exercises. So I'm not just working my pecs, I'm also getting my shoulders and my triceps here. I mean, I can feel the pump in my triceps and shoulders starting to kick in. And I've only done 1 circuit. All right, enough talk, time to get back to it. All right, SpiderMan push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're gonna do something called push up to a plank rotation. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. That's 9. And I'm tired. Oh boy. Few quick breaths. Get up. Time for that isometric. 20 seconds, guys. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Oh, you can just count to 20 in your head. All right, time for 10 more of these head elevated push-ups now. And 10. Oh, man. All right. I'm not faking the sweat, am I? All right, so I'm really beat right now. My chest, I can feel the lactic acid in there because we haven't been able to give our muscles time to flush all that out. You know, normally when we do a traditional, like a bodybuilding workout, where we're really just focusing on trying to make our muscles grow, what I would do is I would rest in between each set, okay? So that rest gives your body time to flush the lactic acid out and to pump new oxygen-rich blood to the muscles so that they're really ready to go hard on the next set. But our goal of this workout is to accomplish more than just build muscle, okay? I'm trying to create a workout for you guys that's gonna burn a ton of calories and get rid of that belly fat, guys. So we're hitting, all right? So I'm worried about this, okay? In addition to this. So I'm also creating a workout for you guys that are really busy, okay? This is perfect for you guys who just have a crazy hectic day. I don't care whether it's work related or family related or you're traveling or whatever, okay? How much equipment did I use? 0. That means you have no excuse. You can do this while you're traveling in your motel room, okay? And if you really had to, you could do this in the morning, first thing when you wake up, before you go off to work, if you know that you're gonna have no time the rest of the day, all right? So 10 minutes, guys. Anybody can figure out a way to work out for 10 minutes. All right, enough talk. I gotta get back down and finish my 3rd circuit here. Oh my God, here we go. SpiderMan push-ups, guys. I gotta let my shoulders rest. Now, one thing for you guys like me, I don't know if you can hear me stand over here real quick. Zoom back. Can you see my tip of my hands from end to end here, guys. Look how long my arms are, okay? I'm just naturally built that way. I'm 6 feet tall, but I have unusually long arms for my height. I played basketball in high school, and we had to measure our wingspan. And my wingspan was wider than a lot of guys that were 4 inches taller than me. So it means that anytime I'm doing this kind of stuff or this kind of stuff, I got these long gangly arms, and it gives me a mechanical disadvantage. And so, man, this stuff really kicks my ass. All right, I can't stop though. Here we go, Spider-Mans. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ten of those. I'm burning up here in my shoulders. That's where I'm feeling a lot of this lactic acid. I can feel it in my chest too. But I did a shoulder workout yesterday, less than 24 hours ago, so my shoulders haven't recovered. Here we go, let's do some plank rotation. Plank push-ups and rotation. There's 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh, 10. All right. Ooh, getting close. Exercise number 3. Isometric. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, last exercise of the last circuit. I'm feeling good about this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh my God. All right, guys, that's a killer chest workout. And my heart rate is way up there right now. And the other thing is, guys, I realize there's gonna be tens of thousands of people out there around the world doing this. Not everybody can do this nonstop. So guess what? Don't give up. If you can only do 5 straight push-ups, okay, Spider-Mans, do 5, stop, rest, finish it off. Okay, do the next 5 for a total of 10. Then if you can't go straight to the next exercise, I don't care, stop, rest. When you can't get to the point where you can do the next exercise, do it. So guys, just because you can't do it non-stop like I did, does not mean you can't do it. Guys, you gotta start somewhere, all right? So it might take you a little longer than 10 minutes if you can't do it real quick. I don't care. Just rest, give your muscles a little time to recuperate. Keep on, guys. That's the whole ticket to getting in shape and losing that belly fat. Sticking with it and not giving up on yourself. Remember, you've heard me say that a lot. So guys, check out these other videos on the side here. We got a ton of great content for you on this channel. Be sure to subscribe, post some comments below because I do want to hear from you. Share it with your friends. And then finally, guys, like I just said, you got to always stick with it and never give up on yourself.